by this video, let us study about the preparation of chlorine, which belongs to P block elements 2. So chlorine, we have studied the physical properties of halogen. So chlorine is the second element in the halogen group. So here chlorine was discovered by Scheele in 1774 by the action of concentrated HCl on manganese dioxide MnO2. Then another scientist JV in 1810, he had suggested the elementary nature of chlorine and also the color of chlorine. So chlorine exists as greenish yellow in color. Yes. So chloro means green. So greenish yellow color is the color of chlorine. So this chlorine does not occur in free state. In free nature it never occurs. It always occurs in the confined state, and moreover it is highly reactive. Yes. So the major source of chlorine is from the seawater, that is in the form of salt NaCl. So this chlorine can be prepared by three methods. So first method is action of concentrated H2SO4 on chlorides. Okay, that is one method, and the another method is oxidation of hydrochloric acid by different oxidizing agent. So likewise we get chlorine. Chlorine can be prepared. So that's the second method. And the third method is bleaching powder is treated with mineral acids, and likewise chlorine can be prepared. So these are the three methods of preparation of chlorine. So now let us see one by one. So first one, action of concentrated sulfuric acid on the. Now let us see the first preparation of chlorine, that is action of chlorides on concentrated H2SO4 in the presence of manganese dioxide. So what type of chloride we are taking here? We are taking sodium chloride, NaCl. So this NaCl is reacted with concentrated H2SO4. So I write here H2SO4. So this is concentrated. Okay, the concentrated means H2SO4 without water. Okay, that is concentrated. Then in the presence of manganese dioxide, so I put here MnO2. This is manganese dioxide to give the product. So how will we write the product? This. So here the product will be always chlorine. So that I write it as chlorine Cl2. So along with the chlorine Cl2, yes, we also get other product. This manganese and chlorine combine to form manganese chloride, MnCl2. Okay, and then this sodium and H2SO4 combine to form sodium bisulfate, Na2HSO4. NaHSO4. This is sodium bisulfate. Yes, and hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water molecules. H2O. Okay, so this is the end product what you get after the reaction. React with concentrated H2SO4 in the presence of manganese dioxide to give chlorine Cl2 and manganese dichloride and sodium bisulfate NaHSO4 and water molecule. Okay, so now let us balance here. So here let us start from chlorine. Look into the right hand side. How many chlorine atom is there? 2 plus 2. 4 chlorine atom. So on the left hand side only 1 chlorine atom. So to balance I put here 4. Now on the left hand side 4 sodium atom is there. Whereas on the right hand side only 1 sodium atom. So I just put here 4. Okay. Now on the right hand side 4 sulfur atom is there. Whereas on the left hand side only 1 sulfur atom. So I put here 4. Okay. Now let us, on the left hand side 1 manganese, right hand side also 1 manganese, so that is balanced. Now let us look for the oxygen. So here, okay, we look for hydrogen. So for 8 hydrogen atom is there, whereas here 4 plus 2 is 6 hydrogen atom. So to balance, I put here 2. So here 4 plus 4 is 4, 8 hydrogen atom, that is also balanced. Now looking into the oxygen atom. So 4 into 4, 16 oxygen atom, 16 plus 2, 18 oxygen atom. Now let us look here, 4 into 4, 16, 16 plus 2 oxygen atom, so 18 oxygen atom. so that is also balanced. So all the elements on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side is balanced. Okay, so that is your preparation of chlorine by the action of chlorides on concentrated sulfuric acid in the presence of manganese dioxide. So MnO2 can be written like, so please make a note of it. So whenever you write the reaction, below you have to write the name of the reactants as well as the product. So manganese dioxide. So all these formulas you should be thorough. So manganese dioxide, so this is manganese chloride. Yes, and this is sodium bisulfate. Sodium bisulfate. Yes, so it is can be also called as sodium hydrogen sulfate. So like that also it can be called. Okay, and this is your chlorine. So chlorine, it is a greenish yellowish colored gas. Okay, so here Cl2 is the chlorine gas here. So this is the one method of the preparation of chlorine. Now the second preparation of chlorine is by oxidizing hydrochloric acid using different oxidizing agents. We can prepare chlorine. So what are these different types of oxidizing agents? They are manganese dioxide MnO2, lead dioxide PbO2, potassium permanganate that is KMnO4, and potassium dichromate that is K2Cr2O7. So these are the different oxidizing agents which are used for oxidizing HCl, and likewise chlorine can be prepared. So first reactions, let us see the reaction of HCl with the manganese dioxide and lead oxide. So manganese dioxide MnO2 and HCl gives you. So always when manganese dioxide oxidizing agent HCl react with each other, HCl is getting oxidized to form chlorine Cl2. Along with chlorine, definitely water will be there. So how water will be formed? This hydrogen and oxygen combine together to form water. And along with this, a chloride is also formed. What chloride? Manganese chloride. So this manganese and chlorine combine to form manganese chloride. Okay, likewise here also lead oxide PbO2 react with HCl to form chlorine and water plus lead chloride. So this lead Pb and chlorine combine to form lead chloride, that is PbCl2. Okay, now let us balance here. So on the right hand side 2 chlorine and 2 chlorine. So 4 chlorine atoms on the right hand side. So in order to balance, let me put here 4. Okay, now 4 chlorine, that is balanced. Okay, now 4 hydrogen on the left hand side, whereas on the right hand side only 2 hydrogen. So I just put here 2. Okay, now hydrogen is also balanced. Now oxygen on the left hand side 2 oxygen atom, right hand side also 2 oxygen atom. Left hand side 1 manganese, right hand side also 1 manganese. So that is balanced. So likewise here also 4 chlorine atom on the right hand side. So I just put here 4. Now 4 hydrogen on the right hand side, I will just put here 2. Now 4 hydrogen, that is also balanced. Now all other elements are balanced. Okay. Now next we will see how the potassium permanganate. Now we will see with the potassium permanganate KMnO4 react with HCl to give chlorine gas, plus always water will be present formed, plus here 2 metals are there, potassium is also there, manganese is also there. So both will react with chlorine and form KCl plus MnCl2. So manganese dichloride MnCl2. Okay, so these are the compounds. So likewise we will write for potassium permanganate also. Sorry, for potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7. So all these formulas should be thorough. Only then you will be able to write the reaction easily. React with HCl to gain Cl2 plus water plus again potassium and chlorine KCl plus, and chromium and HCl, chromium and Cl, chlorine combined to form CrCl3. So chromium chloride. Yes. So this is the reaction. Let's see how the balancing is done. Here you can see chlorine 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5. So 5 chlorine. Whereas here it is if I put here 5, then hydrogen will be 5. Then here it will be, if I put here only 4 hydrogen I can get. So odd even problem comes. So I cannot put it directly. Okay, so for that reason what will I do? Not to avoid this problem, I just put here 2. That's it. Okay, so when I put here 2, what happens? 2 potassium. So here also it becomes 2 potassium. Now 2 manganese. So here also it becomes 2 manganese. Okay, now let us balance with oxygen. So 8 oxygen atom here. Here only 1 oxygen atom. So I put here 8. Okay, so that is oxygen is balanced. Now look at the hydrogen. 16 hydrogen. Whereas there only 1 hydrogen. So I put it here 16. So for that reason, what will I do? I just put here 5. So to balance, so 10 chlorine, then 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 4 16. Okay, so chlorine is also balanced. So when I put here 5 chlorine, the chlorine will be balanced both the side. Okay, so likewise it is balanced. So easy method, so because of odd even problem comes, so easy method is just to put here 2, and from this 2 you try to balance all the other elements. Okay, now let us look into the potassium dichromate here. Here 2 potassium, whereas here only 1 potassium, so put it over there 2. Now here 2 chromium, here only 1 chromium, so put here 2. Here 7 oxygen, whereas only 1 oxygen, so I put here 7. So oxygen is balanced. Now go to hydrogen. So here 14 hydrogen, whereas here only 1 hydrogen, so put 14 hydrogen. Now you look 14 chlorine should be there. Now let us check out here whether we are ready 14. 2 chlorine, 4 chlorine, and 6 chlorine. So 10 chlorine we get. So when I put here 3, 6 chlorine, 6 plus 6 chlorine, here becomes 2 chlorine, so 14 chlorine. Okay, so that is the 14 chlorine is also balanced. So this is the balancing. So balancing is with little carefulness you have to do. Okay. So repeated practice is required for balancing. So see that you practice the balancing of the reaction. Okay. Yes, it's simple. If you understand what are the reactants and what are the product and the formulas, if you understand, then easily you can balance it. Okay. Let us see the third preparation of chlorine by using bleaching powder and mineral acid. So bleaching powder, CaOCl2, this is bleaching powder. This bleaching powder is reacted or treated with mineral acid. So mineral acid here it is HCl and H2SO4. So these two are the mineral acids. Okay, so when bleaching powder is treated with mineral acids like HCl and H2SO4, you get chlorine. Yes, you get chlorine gas. Okay, so let us see the reaction separately. So CaOCl2 is a bleaching powder. React with hydrochloric acid, that's a mineral acid, to form calcium chloride. So this calcium and this chlorine combine together and form calcium chloride. Yes, this hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water, and you get the chlorine gas Cl2. Okay, now let us balance this reaction. So 2 chlorine here and 2 chlorine, so 4 chlorine. So already there, so I put here 2. Yes, now 2 hydrogen, so that is balanced. Then 1 oxygen right hand side and 1 oxygen on the left hand side, that is also balanced. 1 calcium and calcium, that is balanced. Okay, so likewise let us balance this also. So calcium, that is your bleaching powder reacting with sulfuric acid to form calcium sulfate. CaSO4 is calcium sulfate, and this is calcium chloride. Bleaching powder, it is reacting with the sulfuric acid to form calcium sulfate. So how do you get calcium sulfate? This calcium and this SO4 combine to form calcium sulfate. Okay, then this hydrogen and oxygen combine to form water, and this chlorine gas is retained as it is. Okay, yes, so now let us balance here. 1 calcium on the left hand side, right hand side also 1 calcium, 1 oxygen, right hand side, one oxygen, one SO4, right hand side also one SO4, two hydrogen left hand side, two hydrogen on the right hand side. So that is balanced. Okay, so this is the third preparation of chlorine. Chlorine can be obtained by treating the bleaching powder with that of the mineral acids like sulfuric acid and HCl to give the chlorine gas. So along with the chlorine gas, other byproducts like calcium chloride are reacting with HCl and calcium sulfate are reacting with the sulfuric acid. Okay, so chlorine gas prepared by this method also. Fine. So that's it all about the preparation of chlorine. Hope you understood. Thank you.